Okay, good day everyone. I just decided to do this quick trade recap of my trade today. How I entered my trade, what I did before taking my trade. When I woke up this morning, the first thing I did was to analyze this trade from higher time frame. I don't want the video to be too long, that's why I'm not going to start from the higher time frame. But from here, you're going to understand all I did before I enter my trade today. Now, from what I analyzed in the higher time frame, I noticed that Euro USD is quite bullish, just for a short time. So I saw this other block here. I saw this other block here. Then when I looked at the internal structure here is kind of bearish. This internal structure um of this 1 hour is bearish, meaning it's downtrend. So what I did was I draw my last internal break of structure, which was this, which was this and this. Then I was expecting price, like I'm expecting price to still come down here and take this low here. So I look for where I'm supposed to sell from, which is my point of interest. Where I will look for is sell. It was this other block here. As of that morning when I was analyzing the market, the trade was somewhere here. The market was somewhere here. So I went to my lower time frame. I went to my lower time frame, which is 15 time frame, to see what the market is doing. Then I noticed this pullback has started, giving me internal break of structure to the upside, which is uptrend. Then I actually caught this trade too, but this one was kind of aggressive. This buy, I caught it. I'm going to I don't need to explain how I caught, because if I explain it, the video is going to be very long. But okay, let me just quickly explain how I catch the trade. After I saw that sweep of liquidity here, this sweep of liquidity, then what I did was I went to the lower time frame, which is 1 minute, to look for entry. I went to 1 minute to look for entry. Okay, this is my 1 minute. When I enter this 1 minute, I noticed that yes, price across a change of character has occurred here. So I enter directly from this extreme POR. Now my target this morning here was 3RR. That's my target. I think I took this trade 3RR, then I was out of the market. But the major trade, the one that is not very aggressive that I took this evening, was the second trade. It was, let's go back to 15 minutes again. So the second trade I took this evening was this particular trade here. As you can see, the internal structure keep respecting itself, keep respecting. This one too, I saw it, but I didn't quite like it because price didn't give me entry here. Price did not give me any lower time frame entry at this point, so I didn't take the trade. Then we add another internal break of structure here. So this was the one I took, but this time around it's kind of aggressive because we are already in our higher time frame POI we are looking to sell from. But I decided to take the risk because I love this closure. Although there was no liquidity down, but I still need to see an entry. I don't enter directly. Then I draw this my point of interest where I want to buy from. I go to lower time frame, which was 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes, and I notice the same change of character in my 3 minutes, which was this. Then I enter the trade from here. I think my target here was kind of 2RR. It's not much. It was 2RR then. That is all. That was how I trade today. This is my trade recap. The both trade I took today. Thank you and God bless you. You can subscribe if you want to see more of my trade recap. I will try my possible best to always post a recap every day. That is not every day, anytime I took trade. Because here we trade with logic. We don't just trade anyhow.